This is the question I always want to finish with, because I see a lot of young, energetic people in the room. Who is going to industrialize Africa? For some reason, and I think Carl, Mary, and Joyce, and everybody, and Tobias, I think we have not done proper awareness of the value of industrialization. So Kepropa is here. We spend a lot of energy looking for this elusive person called investor. And sometimes we think an investor is someone who doesn't look like you. So we spend a lot of money and air tickets going to look for this elusive person called investor. These investors are right here. Simuko hapa, jipigie makofi. So Africa will only become industrialized when we remove the focus of an investor being different from us and wondering who is going to change this ecosystem. The person who is going to industrialize Africa is you, is the African himself. The person who is going to industrialize Kenya is you. Start small. Do something. Add value. Go into macadamia. Go into avocado. Make some little oil. Make some nails. Make some barbed wire. Let's do it. Because this is your home. And remember, the role of government in this space is very clear. I come from the region of Kenya where every time I go, I'm being asked, so you are PS for industry, so how many industries have you brought? I say, that's not my business. The work of industry is for the private sector. The work of government is to be a good referee, is to give you good policies, good regulations, so that you can play in this space of industrialization. 2 weeks ago, we visited Kirinyaga, Her Excellency the Governor Waiguru, and I was very impressed. We are putting up 8 industrial sheds under the County Aggregation and Industrial Park. We advertised for people who want space there. We only have 8 sheds, but we got 58 applicants. Go for the 10 richest people in Kenya. They are all manufacturing. So don't listen to this story. This environment is not good. We are not doing very well. The top 20 billionaires in Kenya are manufacturers. If I have sat in a private jet where I also had a bed and there was a bar there, it belonged to an industrialist. So you know, in my language, where I come from, and where Orlando comes from, usually a man can have more than 2 wives, 1 wife. And usually, the wisdom we have is that if you want to be a second wife, don't take advice from the first wife. Because you tell you this man is very bad. But she's there. So sometimes if you listen to these people who are inside, they will tell you that's very bad. Please don't listen to that story. This is where the billions are. If you want to be a second wife, don't listen to the first wife. She's misleading you. We are in a very good environment, we have a very good opportunity, we have very good infrastructure, we have opened up markets. We need to tap into that market. And as government, today as we talk, we have the CAIPs, the County Aggregation and Industrial Parks. We are 80% complete in Meru, in Embu, in Kirinyaga, right here in Kiambu, in Migori, in Homa Bay, in Busia, in Bungoma, in Wasigishu, in Kariza, in Machakos, in Kwale. These CAIPs is like our affordable housing. We are building industrial sheds on government land.